What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and we're trying to catch up on our unboxings. As you can see, we have one in front of us here. Got the double-bladed bat knife on deck. So let's get right in here and see what this is. Oh, and we have some things falling out. They have included this US plug adapter. So I'm guessing the charger doesn't have this. And I did get some rims too. So let's toss these rims to the side. This is the K989. So that's this one here. So I have this one also, guys. But anyhow, let's get in here. So we got some gears here. So we can change the tooth gearing on the vehicle. Make it faster or slower or whatever. The Blue Alien making a guest appearance on this video here. We got a nice transmitter here. I'm familiar with this transmitter from my other WL Toys models. Check it out. Had a smudge on my camera. I just cleaned it off, so it should look a little clearer now. And finally, we have the car here. Check it out, Raleigh style car. Rubber grip wheels on it, so no drift wheels on it. Check out what we have in here. So we have a charger here, and that's what that adapter was for this. But we're not going to need this. We have a hobby grade charger on deck. And we have the instructions manual here. So we have an explosion here for parts and all. We have a parts list here. So in case you guys need to reassemble it or disassemble it. Very detailed in here. So nice instructions manual there. And this thing is a 1/28 scale, I think. Yes, I believe it's a 1/28 scale. Complete metal chassis on the bottom. We have a little bumper in the front there. And so you guys can expect some running footage of this really soon. It's the WL Toys K989. A Raleigh car. Thanks for watching.